Today we are going to explore the real story of a middle class boy. A boy who started with almost nothing, no fame, no money, no special advantages. He was just a normal teenager sitting in his small bedroom, uploading videos that nobody watched. People doubted him, some people laughed at him, even his future looked uncertain. But years later, that same boy became the king of YouTube. Now, the real question is, was his success just luck, or was it years of obsession, consistency, and never giving up? Let's find out the real truth behind Mr. Beast's journey. Jimmy Donaldson, known today as Mr. Beast, was born in 1998 in a normal American family. He didn't grow up rich. He didn't have powerful connections. He didn't have famous parents. He was just a regular boy with a big curiosity and the internet. When he was young, YouTube was still growing. Many people watched videos for fun, but Jimmy did something different. He didn't only watch videos, he studied them. He wanted to understand why some videos became popular and others didn't. He paid attention to titles, thumbnails, video length, and viewer reactions. Even as a teenager, he was thinking like a strategist. At the age of 13, he created his first YouTube channel. He posted gaming videos and random content. The views were very low. Sometimes 5 views, sometimes 20 views. Imagine spending hours recording and editing, and only a few people watch your work. It can feel painful, it can feel embarrassing. Many people would quit. Many people would say, "This is not for me." But Jimmy didn't quit. Instead of feeling sad about low views, he became more curious. He asked himself, "Why is this not working? What can I improve?" The question changed his life. Most people ask, "Why am I failing?" Jimmy asked, "How can I improve?" Years passed. He kept uploading. He kept experimenting. He tried different styles. He talked about YouTube drama. He made funny videos. He analyzed other creators. Nothing exploded. Nothing went viral. But slowly, he was learning something very important: how YouTube works. While other teenagers were enjoying free time, Jimmy was studying watch time and audience retention. He watched videos again and again to see where people stopped watching. He tried to understand human psychology. What makes people click? What makes them stay? What makes them share? He became obsessed. Not interested, obsessed. Obsession is powerful. When you are obsessed, you think about your goal every day. Even when you wake up, even before you sleep, Jimmy thought about YouTube constantly. He wanted to become successful so badly that he was ready to give years without results. At one point, even his mother was worried. She wanted him to focus more on school and think about a normal career. But Jimmy believed in one thing: if he worked harder and smarter than everyone else, he would succeed. Then one day, something unusual happened. Jimmy created a very simple but extreme video. He decided to count from 1 to 1 lakh on camera. It took more than 40 hours. It was boring, it was crazy, sounded impossible, but that was exactly why people clicked. The video went viral. Suddenly, thousands and then millions of people watched him count numbers. It sounds funny, but it proved something important. People love big challenges, people love extreme dedication, people love watching someone do something they would never do themselves. This was his first real breakthrough. But here is the truth: that many people do not understand, that overnight success came after years of failure, years of learning, years of almost invisible work. After that video, Jimmy didn't relax, he didn't celebrate too long. Instead, he asked himself another question: how can I make this even bigger? He realized that YouTube rewards bold ideas, so he started creating videos with bigger challenges. He gave money to strangers, he surprised people with gifts, he created competitions where people could with thousands of dollars. He understood something very deep about human nature. People feel happy when they see others receive help. People enjoy generosity. People love transformation stories. So he built his content around that emotion. When he earned money from ads and sponsors, he did something unusual. Instead of buying expensive cars or luxury clothes, he put most of the money back into his videos. If he earned $10,000, he would spend $9,000 on the next video. Bigger prices, bigger ideas, bigger production. This was not normal thinking, this was long term thinking. Most people want fast profits. Jimmy wanted long term dominance. He was building an empire, not just earning income. As his channel grew, he knew he could not do everything alone. He built a team. Many of his friends joined him. They trusted each other. They worked long hours together. They planned ideas late at night. They filmed for days without stopping. Behind every viral video was a team planning every detail. They tested thumbnails, they changed his thumbnail, they studied analytics, they tried to improve even 1% each time. That 1% improvement repeated again and again created massive results. Then his videos became even more ambitious. He gave away houses, he gave away islands, he opened restaurants, he created large competitions with hundreds of people. Each video felt like a movie. But the most powerful part was not the money, it was the message. Mr. Beast started large charity projects. He planted millions of trees. He cleaned oceans. He helped blind people pay for surgery so they could see again. He built wells in poor communities. He gave food to thousands of families. People began to see him not just as a YouTuber, but as a force for change. He showed that success and kindness can work together. He proved that business and generosity are not enemies. You can build wealth and still care about people. However, success also brings pressure when you are at the top. Everyone watches your moves. If one video performs less than expected, critics talk. If one decision is controversial, social media reacts. Being number one is not peaceful, it is intense, but Jimmy continued because he had a clear mission. He once said he wants to make the best video on YouTube, not average, not good, the best. That standard pushes him every day. He studies data deeply. He tests different thumbnails before choosing one. Sometimes he changes a title many times after uploading. He wants perfection. He wants maximum impact. Many people think he is just lucky, but luck does not work for 10 years. Luck does not build multiple businesses. Luck does not create global movements. Consistency does. Jimmy's story teaches us that patience is powerful. In today's world, many people want fast success. They want viral videos in 1 month. They want money in 1 year. But real success often takes time. For years, he uploaded without big results. For years, nobody knew his name. But those silent years built his skills. Think about your own life. Maybe you are learning English. Maybe you are building a channel. Maybe you are studying for exams. In the beginning, progress feels slow. It feels invisible, but every small effort builds your foundation. Mr. Beast didn't become successful because he was special from birth. He became successful because he improved every day and refused to quit. He turned criticism into fuel. He turned doubt into motivation. When people didn't believe in him, he worked harder. When videos failed, he analyzed them calmly instead of giving up. This mindset is powerful. Imagine if he had stopped after 1 year. Imagine if he had said, "This is not working." The world would never know his name. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is often one decision to continue. Today, Mr. Beast is more than a YouTuber, he is a businessman. He created food brands, he built snack companies, he expanded into new industries, but he still focuses on content quality. Even with massive success, he continues to study and improve. That humility keeps him strong. His journey reminds us that big dreams require big commitment. You can't treat your dream like a hobby and expect professional results. Jimmy treated YouTube like his life mission. He sacrificed comfort, he sacrificed easy entertainment, he chose discipline over destruction, and slowly the world noticed. From a small bedroom to global fame, from almost zero views to hundreds of millions of subscribers, from a simple idea to a $1 billion empire. But at the center of this story is a simple lesson: start, improve, and never quit. Maybe right now you feel small. Maybe your progress is slow. Maybe people do not understand your goals. That is normal. Every big success story begins in a small room with big dreams. Mr. Beast once had 10 views. He once had doubts. He once felt invisible. The only difference is he continued when others stopped. And that is the real story. Not the money, not the fame, the obsession to become better every single day. So ask yourself today, what are you willing to continue even when nobody is watching? Because one day, if you stay consistent, the world might start watching too. And when that day comes, it will look like overnight success, but you will know the truth. It was years of quit effort. That is the real story of Mr. Beast.